We're ready. Hey everybody, it's Mr. Seth from Camp Arrowwood, and we've got a great team who's ready to serve you this summer. I want you to meet them. Here we go.
Hey, my name is Maria. This is my 9th summer at Camp Arrowwood, and I'm the assistant camp director, and I can't wait to see y'all at camp.
Hi guys, my name is Esther. I'm camp spirit at camp, so woo!
What's up? I'm Graham Johnson. I'm from Knoxville, Tennessee, and I'm the head counselor.
My name is Boaz Anderson, and I go to Georgia Southern University, and I'm part of the program staff this year.
I'm Mr. Ryan. This is my 18th summer, and these are your summer regulars.
Hi, I'm Sierra. This is my first year on staff, and this is my kitchen staff.
Hey, I'm Garrett Brady. I'm a junior at Sanford University. I'm from Knoxville, Tennessee, and this is my 2nd year at Camp Arrowwood, and I'm the guys' LIT leader.
Hey, I'm Elena Nazarius. I'm a junior at Sanford University. I'm from Knoxville, Tennessee. This is my 6th summer working, and I'm the girl LIT leaders.
And these are our LITs!
Hey guys, I'm Hannah Hauser. I'm from Where's Valley, Tennessee. This is my 5th summer, and you can catch me on the slip and slide and energy craze.
Hey guys, my name is Anna Varnick, and I'm from Parsons, Tennessee. This is my 1st summer on staff, and I will see y'all at Camp Jams.
Hey guys, my name is Colty Vine. I'm from Knoxville, Tennessee. This is my 5th summer at camp, and I'm so excited to be your leader of A&R.
Yeah!
Hey guys, my name is Joseph Rasmus. I'm from Maryville, Tennessee, and I'm excited to see you guys at Adventure Rec this summer.
Hey guys, I'm Sam Bridges. I'm from Alco, Tennessee. This is my 4th year on staff, and I'll be in Energy Craze.
Hi guys, I'm Emery Townsend from Knoxville, Tennessee. This is my 1st summer here at Camp Arrowwood, and you can find me at Arrowwood Designs.
Hi, I'm Izzy Berquist. I'm from Maryville, Tennessee, and I will be leading archery and riflery.
Hey guys, my name is Lydia Young, and I'm from Maryville, Tennessee. This is my 2nd year at Camp Arrowwood, and you'll see me in Arrowwood Designs.
Hello, I'm Grayson Whitlock. I'm from Alcoa, Tennessee. This is my 1st year on staff, and I'm really excited to lead mountain biking this summer.
Hey guys, I'm Peyton Gadd. I'm from Lawrenceville, Georgia. This is my 4th summer on staff, and I'm super excited to lead search and rescue this summer.
Hey guys, I'm Jackson Greenway. This is my 4th summer at camp. I'm from Maryville, Tennessee, and I can't wait to see y'all at the escape room.
Hey guys, I'm Grace Berquist, and I'm from Maryville, Tennessee. This is my 5th summer at camp, and I'll see y'all at Adventure Rec.
Hey guys, my name's Emma. This is my 4th summer on staff, and I'm going to be your photographer and counselor.
Hi, my name is Julia. I'm my 4th year on staff, and I'm part of the program team. Hi, I'm Avery DeWeese. This is my 1st year on staff, and I'm the photographer this summer.
Hi, my name is Graham McDonald. This is my 2nd year on staff, and I'll be your program staff.
So that's our team. We're excited to see you pretty soon. We're going to keep you safe. We're going to connect you with friends. We're going to have lots of adventures, and we're going to point you to Jesus. And we will